Okay, rather good morning. What I have here today is a Tesla bar vaporizer. Um, but this is a very interesting thing. This is a little bit different. I just wonder the Tesla, I don't think has anything related to Elon Musk. It's just maybe a fake name or something give it. But it's a nice machine. Let's just show you quickly here. If you press a button in the bottom side and a USB port, the charging port, and the flow of the air you can adjust here. If you press this button, you can just switch on the light, as you can see here. Very interesting, very nice. Look here, if you press a button, you can, if all the lights up here, and then you can set the echo of normal, of max. I think this is the element. Okay, then there's like a T for Tesla, seeker LEDs in the back, looks like space. And we can let's do some pull a vacuum here, as you can see. Here it comes on. We'll just put the lights on back again. Okay, let's just get some air in here. Let's suck some air here. I think the batteries may be flat. Okay, now let's open this thing and see how this machine looks in the inside. I don't know how to open it. We just back to normal again. Just be careful with your fingers. Always a clip or something. I'm gonna put it in a vise and I'm gonna try to take it open, grab it here and pull it. Is the only way, otherwise you will maybe cut yourself with a screwdriver or something. Okay, I'm back. I just grab it here with the vise, then it opens. So you can see there's the clips there, and there's also clips there. Now yeah, okay, let's just put that aside. It's like a see-through smoky glass, and now you have to do the rest. Here's a rubber. There it comes. Also, here's the volume setting and a knob of changing. Okay, let's just put there. There's a, you can maybe clean that. There's some full of fluid. Okay, here is the volume of the air intake. Here's your battery. Here's your PC board. There's the rubber on top. So if you maybe open the thing, if you want to fill it, I don't know if you can maybe see, this is a piece of plastic pipe. You won't be able to get something in there. Maybe if you take a syringe and you pull it sideways, you see this in the inside, you pull it right through and you puncture and you push it in there, in the corner there, then you will be able to fill it through this rubber. Then it will go inside here. Okay, here's the like a heat type of heat shrink. Let's open it here. See how it looks inside. So here's the, look at the, there's a small, look at this small flexi PCB that plugs in here. And then there's comes out here. and there's where the LEDs is inside. You can see very interesting how they make these things, né? If you go and you see this thing goes plug in there, if you want to put it back, actually it goes in there. They just try to get it back in there. Then we can light it up with your long nose. Plugged in there, and here's your element. And your lithium battery. There's your pluggy. You just switch it off here. You can see here. See how bright is the display. You press the button here, it lights up. I would like to take this thing apart to see how it looks inside. Okay, let's put the lights on back again. Okay, let's unplug the PCB. Okay, that's okay. This is now your charger and your everything. Lithium, what size lithium battery is in here? 3.7 volt, 3.33 watt hours. Okay, here's your cavity of where the fluid is in. See, this is empty. Okay, let's just I'm gonna not put this thing back together again. Let's just take this off here. You can see the element. Let's undo all the rubber. Nice designs that they make. Just take this thing apart here. Let's take this. Okay, see, here's the element. You can see the zigzag of the element here. They somehow first solder it afterwards or do something. I don't know how they connect this in here. Okay, then let's quickly take this off here. Get a knife. This cover. And actually expose the LEDs in the back there. Yo, look at this thing. Look at all the small LEDs. Just plug this thing back again. See if you can't see how the LEDs lights up. Look how nice. It's blue. Oh, but you see the, I don't know if the cell phone will be able to show this. It's like a blue, massive blue light with all the LEDs. Very, very small. It's the first time I see such small LEDs. Yo, this is crazy. Switch it on. Ting, 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 ting. How they go. Sure, that's interesting. Okay, now we'll put the lights back on. Okay, I remove the battery. I just want to show you how the element work. You see, it looks like if there's two elements in there. It's obviously two elements in series. Let's just gonna focus, put the focus on. You can see here. Okay, you can see here's the element now, and I'm gonna take the battery and I'm gonna touch the element. You see how it glows. Look what's happening here. See, look at the element. This is what's happening here. Obviously, it's gonna burn out. Maybe if I put it too long, depends on how strong the battery is. And this is what set the fluid, make it to vaporize. Okay, nice little battery. Okay, this is my story. It always amazed me that they make such a small electronics and PCB, so much technology in these things, and you chuck it away when you're finished. Let's put it back. Okay, the PC board is out now. It's always amazing to see how they make these things and you throw them away. Look at all the electronics, the small flashy PCB, the vacuum device, USB. Look at the small micro switch, small switchy electronics, charging circuit for the battery, and the mold I have to make here for this thing to work. Amazing. You can see what I can see. Here's the plus minus. This is the one battery. Then if you put it on maybe on fast max mode, it activates a second element. Then you have like more. Let's just take this thing out. You can see yeah, see there's two elements. So there's your one element, and if you activate the the max mode, and then it on top of it, of the ground, the second element's coming in effect. Let's let's just put on this element again. There's your negative. There's your positive. Which is see here. It burns me. Okay, this is a Tesla. This is all I can show you this morning. That for a Tesla bar. This is so far the most difficult design that I opened. Things that would make it difficult to put together in manufacturing and designing. Well, there's another piece of thing that soak up if there's any leakage. Very interesting. Look at this thing. Okay, this is all the spares from a Tesla vaporizing machine. Hope you learned something, and just imagine the small LEDs. Yo, they're very small. First time I noticed something this small. Imagine the machine that put this together. Things just getting smaller and smaller every day. A small chippy that maybe controls all the LEDs. Very interesting. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. Till next time. Cheers.